Hi guys, welcome to my channel. ASUS laptop Wi-Fi is missing. So guys, first click to start, type services.msc. You can enter the services and right click to run as administrator. And then click to type WLAN. WLAN means Wi-Fi. Scroll down, auto configure and double click. Select the automatic, stop and then again start. And then apply and then click to OK. Then apply and then OK and then close it. Then next method and very important, click to start, type device manager, click on it, then find out the network adapter, extract this and wireless VLAN, uh, Wi-Fi, more lot of name. So most of common wireless VLAN and Wi-Fi. Okay, so select this, right click to uninstall drive and then click to uninstall. Okay, then click actions and then scan to hardware change. So it will detect again and then close it. Then next click to start, go to setting, then network and internet and then flight mode. Just click to on and then again off. Okay, this is check the flight mode. Okay, and then close it, then turn on again, then reset the network setting. So you start and type cmd, right click to run as administrator. Okay, so first command, next step in stock reset and then hit enter. Okay, then this is second, then hit enter, scroll down and then DNS flush like this and then hit enter. Okay, and then close it. Then last and very important, okay, for your ASUS laptop, so click to Chrome browser and then type ASUS laptop driver download. Okay, type on the Google search box. After that it will come the asus.com download center. It is, and please download only for the official website only. Okay, so click it. Then if you know the model number of your laptop, so you can type the name of model, otherwise you can select the product. Okay, via this also method, this is true. And if you don't know, so just click the automated detect the computer serials. So computer and laptop both you can see accept agree, and after that it will start the systems, which system are you using. After that it will show the your host name, your system name. You can see this is your system, your laptop. After that click on driver and tool, then scroll down, net, select the operating system Windows 10 and 11. So both. Now find out the networking. This is chipset, this is audio, this is graphic card. So find out the networking. Okay, networking means your Wi-Fi. Okay, Wi-Fi. So this is a VLAN means Wi-Fi driver. Okay, so you can, if you want to extract and download older one, so you can. So this is, and this is date. Okay, so try to download always latest and click to download, and it will start downloading and it will show on this here, this one. Then click on it, then select your language if you want to change, otherwise click to OK. Then next, I agree, agreement next. So there are two way to install: first extract and first install and second extract. So if you want to see, if you want to save this drive to your disk, so you can extract and then install. If you want to install directly, you can install, select this and then next, next and then install. Now this is extracting and now installed. Okay, so guys, now 100% required a restart of your system. So then click on finish and then restart your system and then please check. Okay, thank you. If you are facing any issues, so please comment me, I will support you. Bye.